Hi, I am Nancy, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering from Emmanuel Research JJ College of Engineering, Nattala. Today we are going to discuss about structure of kidney. This is the urinary system of the body. Urinary system, along with the other system of the body, maintain hemostasis. Kidney plays a major role in homeostasis as they maintain the acid base and water salt balance in the blood. Kidney is a vital organ responsible for filtering blood, maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance, and excreting waste product in urine. It is organized into two main regions. First one is cortex, that is outer region, and next one is medulla, that is inner region. Blood enters the kidney through the renal artery. It is filtered through intricate structures and exit via the renal vein. Urine is collected in the renal pelvis and transported to the bladder via the ureter. This is the structure of the kidney. Kidneys are bean shaped and positioned in retroperitoneal position in the superior lumbar region. The right kidney is present slightly lower than the left. Mass of the adult kidney is about 150 gram and 12 centimeter long, 6 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter thick. Kidney is divided into three zones: renal cortex, renal medulla and renal pelvis. Kidney is divided into two major zones. First one is outer renal cortex and inner renal medulla. Renal cortex surround a portion of the medulla to form the renal pyramid. Pelvis is funnel shaped part of the ureter. They extend from the kidney and formed the union of major and minor calyces. The renal calyces are present surrounding the renal pyramid. Calyces are chambers through which urine passes. Renal artery supplies blood to the kidney. Renal veins drain the kidney blood, further connect to inferior vena cava. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney that transfers through both the medullary and cortex region. The nephron filters, absorbs, secretes and excretes the supplied blood to convert into urine. Nephrons are composed of the following part: glomerulus, Bowman capsule, distal convoluted tubule, proximal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. The kidneys are important for the process of urine formation and excretion of other metabolic major part of urinary tract. This is the next one is nephrons. Nephron is the microscopic structure that is a functional unit of the kidney. There are about 10 lakhs nephrons in each human kidney. Let us look the components of the nephron. Below is a well labeled and easy diagram of the nephron for our understanding. These are the nephron. It consists of proximal convoluted tubule, Bowman's capsule, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct, loop of canal, descending limb of loop of canal and ascending limb of loop of canal. The nephron can be divided into two parts: renal corpuscles and renal tubule. The renal corpuscles initial filtering component of nephron. Each corpuscle is made of glomerulus. Bowman's are glomerular capsule, glomerular capsule. The glomerulus is mass of capillaries which is supplied with blood by an afferent arteriole of the renal circulation. Bowman's are glomerular capsule. These capsules surround the glomerulus and is made of visceral inner layer and a parietal outer layer. Then Next one is renal tubule. Renal tubule is 3 centimeter long tubule. It is present in the glomerular capsule as a coiled proximal convoluted tubule. Renal tubule is divided into made up of proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle loop or nephron loop. The loop of Henle loop or nephron loop can be divided into two limbs. One is descending limb of loop of Henle and another one is ascending limb of loop of Henle. Then finally is distal convoluted tubule. It is final subdivision of the renal tubule through which the glomerular filtrate flows. It contains simple cuboidal epithelium but lacks the brush border. Finally, collecting duct. Collecting duct travels through the medullary pyramid, thus making them appear stripped. The collecting tubules, after receiving glomerular filtrate from many nephrons throughout its length, the renal tubule consists of a single layer of polar epithelial cells on the basement membrane. The walls of the PCTs are formed by cuboidal epithelial cells with large mitochondria and their luminal surface bear than microvilli. The nephron tubule is made of already know proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. The filtrate passes through the tubule where certain substances are secreted into the fluid and water is selectively reabsorbed from it to form urine. These are the structure of kidney and structure of nephron. Thank you.